Okay, question 7. Because question 7. What were some of the fascinating claims that came from the legendary astronomer and agnostic Robert Jastrow? What's one of them? Yes, yeah.
The universe is like a wind up clock. It's wound up because it's
Okay. So, if it was wound up, somebody or something wound it, right? Did it? I don't know. Yeah, that's one of them. What's another one? Yes.
The Big Bang Theory was the best.
Yes, but what does he say about that? I mean,
Because of like the fireball radiation.
yeah, but yeah, so that radiation precisely supports a Big Bang. So that ends any idea or any possibility of what's called steady state. Steady state is the sort of scientific name for that the universe is eternal. The universe has always been. The universe didn't have a beginning. So what he's saying is the universe had a beginning. It ends any hope for an eternal universe. The universe had a beginning. What else did he say? Eli?
There's astronomical
Yeah,
evidence.
yeah. There's astronomical evidence of what was the last part you said there? That leads to a biblical origin, a biblical view of. I don't know if he's the one that said, well, if you're going to pick a story, the Bible story is probably the most accurate, or something like that, right? So here's this agnostic saying, yeah, the science reads like Genesis. That's what he's basically saying. Were you going to say something?
No, I just have to.
Go for it.
That there are supernatural forces at work now, I think, is a scientifically proven fact.
Many agnostics say something like that. Yeah. And then I also wrote down that atheistic astronomers have painted themselves into a corner. You know what that means? You know what that euphemism means? Like, how are you going to get out if you're painting a floor and walk over the paint? So they painted themselves into a corner because of their own methods have proved a very sudden beginning. The existence, and that's what you just said. So scientists act very much like everyone else when the evidence doesn't support what they believe. They get irritated. So it's not saying what they want it to say. They're scientists. They need to go where the evidence leads. Number 8, and then we'll stop with this. Summarize the definition offered by Arthur Eddington of the second law of thermodynamics. Yes?
The second law is the fact that the universe's entropy increases and the energy becomes
Okay, and what does he say if any theory contradicts that? Yes?
It has no hope.
Yeah, it's doomed. It's doomed. Because the second law of thermodynamics is entropy increases. So the running down of everything increases. I want to check and make sure. We're going to talk a little bit. So sometime between now and Wednesday, it would be really good if you read Romans 8, 18 through 27, and kind of be chewing on that a little bit. Every year, my students have a little bit of a problem with applying Romans 8 to this idea of the second law of thermodynamics. So it might be good for you to do. I'll read it to you then, but it might be good for you to be familiar with it. That's it for today.